Did you guys know the first person to ever max out his level in Diablo 4 died as soon as he reached level 100? Did you guys hear about that news? It's not new news technically, but so what happened is they hit level 100 and the game disconnected. And because the game disconnected, they died. And because it was hardcore mode, GG. I don't know if it was a bug. I think it was server issues. But the server disconnected after he hit level 100. So he died. And you can't really get that back. Oh, I thought you meant the player died, not the character. No. The character died. No. The player didn't die. The only thing I remember about gamers dying is probably like what's it called? Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Oh, it's funnier because they disconnected because of an announced outage for a bug in the Oh yeah, they died because they had to do something regarding the microtransaction cash shop stuff. I would be so mad if I was him, especially because I know how it takes a while to level. I know how long it takes to level in Diablo 4. I mean, it's not short. It's not like super long, but at the same time, it's not super short. So when I heard about the reason he died, I felt so bad for him. I could like empathize with what he experienced. Imagine all that hard work and setting a record. Shoo! Away! It's gone. It's away. And for what? For microtransaction. Blizzard, I thought you were trying to get us back using Diablo 4. This is the opposite. I honestly thought Blizzard was trying to do a comeback using Diablo 4 as the forerunner, but doesn't look like it. Blizzard still seems to be an idiot who's greedy as hell. Nothing has changed. Literally nothing has changed. They have learned nothing. They have literally learned nothing after everything they have experienced. Why? You would think they would have learned by now. You really would think they would have learned by now. But no. We're gonna ruin the player experience because we prioritize microtransactions in the game. Please use our cash shop and give us money. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Gracias. Motherfuckers. I think they're banking on the buyout going through. Well, I mean, if you think about it, no pay, no gain. High risk, high reward, but you gotta still work for it. You can't just so many hours gone. Right! It's so freaking man. It makes me super frustrated whenever I see what used to be a good company die because people got greedy. Whenever I see people like just ruin gaming companies and whatnot because they got greedy, I'm just like, it's such a shame.